Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the lock is powered and responsive, check the battery indicator or plug, and have a backup key handy. Next, wake the keypad by pressing any button or lifting the handle so the lights and beeps come on. Once the pad is awake, position your hand steady and unobstructed. This prevents accidental key presses. Make sure there's no one jostling the door, because a misstep can lock you out or trigger a timeout. You now enter the code exactly as programmed. Press each digit with deliberate, steady pressure, firm enough to register, not so hard you slide fingers across keys. Keep a consistent rhythm. Too fast or too slow can confuse some systems. After the final digit, watch and listen for confirmation. A beep, a flashing LED, or a small display message tells you the input was accepted. If the lock requires an enter key, press it now. Otherwise, wait for the unlock signal before turning the handle. Once the lock confirms, grip the handle and turn smoothly. You should feel the latch retract. If the door doesn't open, don't force it. Release and retry after the lock's timeout. If access is denied, re-wake the pad, wait for lights, and enter the code slowly and deliberately again. Timing matters. If you still fail, check battery level or external power, replace batteries if low. And as a last resort, use the backup key.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.